Spring is almost here, so it's time to start thinking about lawn care and weed control. But with all the different types of herbicides and weed killers out there, it might be hard to know where to start. So today, we're going to go over post-emergent herbicides, what they are, and how to know what works best for you. Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. A question I get a lot is, what's the best type of herbicide for my lawn? And the answer really depends. This time of year, you might be putting down a pre-emergent herbicide or a post-emergent herbicide. And what's the difference in the two? Well, a pre-emergent herbicide prevents weeds from germinating come warmer temperatures. If you'd like to learn more about pre-emergent herbicides, check out our video. The link will be in the description below. But if you've already had weeds sprouting on your property, then it's time to use a post-emergent herbicide. So what is a post-emergent herbicide? A post-emergent herbicide is essentially a weed killer. It kills weeds that have already sprouted or emerged from your lawn. Weeds start to germinate once your soil temperature is over 55 degrees. So typically, you'll need post-emergent weed control starting in spring and going through fall. You can check out our website for a handy lawn care schedule to get an idea. But the best way is to walk around your yard and check for weeds. So, you might be wondering, what type of post-emergent do I need? And that really depends on which type of weeds you're trying to control. Most post-emergents are formulated for very specific grass and weed types. If you don't know what type of weed that you have, it's best to pick a post-emergent with a broad label. Just make sure that your grass type is listed on that label. Post-emergent herbicides are broken up into two types, selective and non-selective. A selective herbicide is labeled to kill and control specific types of weeds. We recommend Top Shot. It's incredibly easy to use and is listed to kill many types of broadleaf weeds, and each ampule will cover up to 2,500 square feet. A non-selective herbicide will kill any leafy plant. These are best used for maintenance roads, driveways, walkways, or anywhere that you don't want vegetation. For this, we use Eraser. This is a powerful concentrate that has a built-in surfactant, so it'll help it stick to the leaf surface and be more effective. With any pesticide or herbicide, you must read the label, and it's very critical when you're working with post-emergent herbicides. The last thing you want to do is kill your yard or that favorite flower you have trying to control a little bit of clover. I've seen it, it's devastating. Just make sure that your grass type and the weed you're hoping to control is listed on the label. Post-emergent herbicides can be formulated very differently, but generally, one that can be applied with water in a sprayer is easier to use. Because you get the benefit of a more even application, more flexibility in the level of concentration, and it's easier to put down the solution. Again, it's critical that you read the label of any post-emergent herbicide to know what weeds you're treating for, the grasses that it's intended for, and the proper mix and application rates. One piece of advice is you can't mix non-selective and selective herbicides. So, say you want to kill some clover in your yard, but you also want to get that grass that's popping up in your driveway or your walkway, you'll definitely need to use two different sprayers. Why? Because you don't want to use a non-selective herbicide in a sprayer, and then later on use a selective, because you could potentially torch your yard. And that's post-emergent herbicides in a nutshell. If you have any other questions about post-emergence or any other DIY pest control, don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, stop by one of our stores, or visit our website. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below about which weeds you're hoping to control this season. And be sure to subscribe for other how-tos and product videos. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.